Luna's fled the nest and is realizing how hard it is getting by without Spearow and Misty. On the upside, she has learned to fly. Finding food has been tough, though. Setting the scene for the last big eagle feast of the year. And if you want a seat at the table, you have to fight for it. Luna is here too, but on the edge of the fray. At last, it's her turn, but a feast like this is an open invitation. Breaking a wing would be a death sentence for Luna. Luna's too scared to challenge him. If she doesn't learn to stand up for herself, she won't make it out here in the big, wide world. But there's more where that came from. Unless Luna learns to stand up for herself, she's always going to lose out. In the eagle world, it pays to be bold.